Getting hit by an uninsured driver costs Americans $13 billion every year. Your first move after the accident is checking if you have uninsured motorist coverage on your policy. This coverage kicks in when the at-fault driver has zero insurance to pay for your damages. No uninsured motorist coverage? Here's what you can do right now. Document everything at the scene. Take photos of all vehicle damage, get the other driver's contact info, and file a police report immediately. These details are gold if you need to take legal action. You've got three main options to recover your costs. First, use your own collision coverage if you have it, but you'll need to pay your deductible. Second, sue the uninsured driver directly, though collecting money might be tough if they couldn't afford insurance. Third, check if your state has an uninsured motorist fund. Pro tip most people miss. Some health insurance policies cover accident injuries even when the other driver is uninsured. Call your health insurance provider before paying medical bills out of pocket. Always carry uninsured motorist coverage. It typically costs just a few extra dollars per month, but saves you from a massive financial headache. Think about it. 1 in 8 drivers on the road right now has zero insurance. Don't let their mistake become your problem. Quick bonus tip: keep a disposable camera in your glove box. Phone died? Camera broken? You've still got backup proof of the accident scene.